Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you two websites that you can use to make money online just by watching videos. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. If this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you two websites. And by the way, if you don't have a computer right now, don't worry, you can do this from your cell phone, okay? And you are going to be able to make money online just by watching videos. By the way, this is not my favorite way to make money online because, well, you're not going to get rich, okay? So if you're looking to make an income, right, that is going to change your life, to replace your full-time job, I'm going to leave a link below. So that's going to be the very first link in the description. Now, let me show you the very first website. It's called Coinbase, okay? Coinbase.com is basically a cryptocurrency market in which you are going to be able to buy, sell, and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. But we're going to go up here where it says up to 166. By the way, this number is changing. So chances are that at the time you are, on the website, this number can be going up. The amount of money can be going up, or it can be a little bit lower, okay? So now you're going to be here. It says earn crypto while learning about crypto. Okay. And again, okay, they're going to be paying you in cryptocurrencies, but remember that you can sell them here. Okay. This is a cryptocurrency market. So you're not going to be like, okay, now I have this. How do I sell it? How do I exchange it into USD or your currency, right? So for example, here we have Orchid OXT. Okay, and they're gonna pay you 52 OXT, right? We have Tesos XTC, you're gonna earn 6. They have DAI, okay, they say like right now one DAI is $1. EOS, right, you're gonna earn 50. Xstellar, you're gonna earn 50 just by watching videos. That's it. Okay, so let's say that I want to start a course, right? So right now this course is about EOS. Earn EOS. I don't know if I mispronounced this, but EOSio is a protocol designed for fast and free blockchain apps. Look, okay, you're gonna learn about this, and they say like you're gonna earn 50 EOS. You are gonna sign up to start it. Okay, you're gonna watch the very first video and you're gonna earn 2. This is a 3-minute video, so they are like super long. This is another 3-minute video and you're gonna earn 2 EOS. 2-minute video, 3-minute video. So it's not like, okay, I'm gonna be doing really hard tasks to get paid. No, it's really easy, really simple. And let me tell you more about Coinbase. Okay, Coinbase is updating their catalog or the video catalog consistently. So if you finish these videos, this training, my suggestion is to return in the future because they do have other trainings so you can keep earning money. Okay. The second website I want to talk about is this site. I really don't like to complete surveys because sometimes they are kind of boring, but you do it. And also you can answer trivias. Okay, this is the amount of money. Well, it's actually a survey, a video, a sweepstakes, and you're gonna cash out. Okay, your rewards. Remember that they pay you through PayPal. Coinbase pays you with cryptocurrency. Okay. You can grow the community status, receive bigger rewards. Actually, UC, NCB, Business Insider. This is cnet.com. As you can see, the rewardable is a free iOS and Android app. and they are actually, you know, giving people feedbacks, right, and giving people some examples of how you're gonna get paid, right? You're gonna get paid through PayPal. You're the good, and they also give you some other feedback. Here is a testimony. There are 2 weeks she earned 227 now using the app. Extra money. So if you want to know what's my #1 recommendation to make money online, again, I'm gonna leave a link below. It's gonna be the very first link in the description. Leave them, and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.